sa mga shoutout po sa mga una pa lang naniwala na sa aming Bini. And shoutout din syempre sa mga Blooms na ngayon lang kami nakilala. Thank you so much po sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything. I love you, Blooms. Yeah! Wow! Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa lahat. Please vote for me for
Hindi. Alam niyo ba yung kinanta namin It? Isa siya sa mga pinaka-special na songs namin. Actually, isa sa mga 5 song namin. And yung fact na si Colette yung sumulat ng kanta, siya yung nagsulat nun. And talagang dinedicate niya yung song na yun for us. So every time na kinakanta namin siya, like, nag-flashback talaga lahat ng mga sacrifices namin, lahat ng experiences namin before nung Chinese pa.
Yes, no battle can trample us down. No trample us down as long as we have each other. Tama? Parang ayaw nila. Ayaw naman tayo eh.
Wala nagtatampo si Mix. Ulitin niyo daw. Tama ba? Matampuhin.
Yeah, there may be negativities thrown at us, pero kaming Bini, we always make sure that we have each other and we have you guys to always bring us up, you know? Hello?
Alam niyo ba guys, nakita ko yung phone ni Mika, yung picture naming 8 yung nasa likod ng phone.
Kaya nga!
You love us,
No,
right?
it's because
Kung
it's the only
napansin ko,
photo I have
sabi
right
niya,
now.
tatanggalin ko rin yan mamaya. Pero hindi niya naman tinanggal.
You love us. How about you? Do you love Bini? I kinda love you. But I love Bini, but mas mahal ko yung Blooms. Baliktad pala, sorry Blooms. Mahal ko yung Blooms, pero syempre I love you guys so much. Wait lang, mag-open forum kami here Ate Maloy, since trainees kasi, ikaw yung unang namamansin sa akin.
Liar!
Ano yung pinost mo, Shi? Yung song
Ano nga yun?
Ano yung music
song
na yun?
Forever Young? Ano nga yun?
Hindi, yung younger self.
Forever Young,
I wanna be forever young. Forever young. Forever young.
living young and wild and free. Oh, next, free.
Free. I wanna be. It's my own song. I'm
Ah,
gonna release it
sige,
soon.
tugtungan. Oh, si Mitch mag-start.
Wait lang, ang hirap yung
Ikaw na nga mag-start. Go, anything.
Kanta anything.
English song, English. English song.
Carry on with your brothers.
Oh, si Mitch, ako. Ano daw, arthritis?
Arthritis?
Go.
Ano yun? Very bad.
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 Arthritis is bad?
Bad. I got you in my face.
Nag-away bigla.
Pwede, ibang
Iba mix, ang hirap naman. Suggest the song Blooms. Kayo na lang kumanta.
Oh, kayo na lang kumanta. Anong gusto niyong song?
Kakasa, pili ka.
You, sir,
pili ka isa.
what song would you recommend to us? What song?
Do you want old songs?
Oh,
Sing it for you.
Fly Me to the Moon? Leaving on a jet
Come on,
plane?
what do you
One of our songs. Oh, yeah, of course.
Are you not sick of us yet?
Something na hindi pa natin na-perform sa video.
Kinikilig. Kinikilig.
But he doesn't understand that.
Kinikilig yung English eh.
I'm so flattered.
Blushing.
I'm blushing so much in my
Kilig
cheeks.
is like a feeling, butterflies on your stomach.
Oh, go mix. Kantayin mo English.
What? Go.
Okay na, tapos na ang laban. I think nakakakilig yung next performance natin. Are you ready?